Hello guys, for now I am going to show you how to list the item in the, Amazon Seller Central. So here you can see this is the item that we already sourced from the previous video. So first we need to enter all necessary information in our listing sheet. So here, so first we need to enter or put the source URL, which is from Home Depot. So just need to copy it, the link here, and paste. The next would be the Amazon link, this one. Just copy the link. Okay. And the ASIN, where you can see it here at the link, or you can also see here at the bottom here. So, ASIN. Then rank would be 1%. And product name, you need to copy the title from Amazon. Okay, so it should be from Amazon, not from the source. So it's not here, so it should be from Amazon, which is this one. Okay. And next would be the SKU. SKU will be we will going to fill up the plate later once we list the item. And this is, I think this is the tools and home improvement. So now we are going to list the item to Amazon Seller Central. Just go to inventory, or then click add a product. Then enter ASIN, which is this one. Then click on search. So this is the item. Then after that, need to select a condition. Just click the down arrow, then click new. So it should be always new. Then click on sell this product. You'll be routed to a new page. So this one you need to enter the price. So the price that the sale price that we have here is when you source it is $68.99 for us to be the lowest. And after seller SKU later, after it will be provided one later, and the condition is again always new. The quantity should be 5, and the fulfillment channel, it should be always I will ship this item myself. And click on save. So click done. Then it will show you now the SKU. Just copy it here and paste it here. Paste it on the sheet. So after that, so let's just refresh the page, so until it will come out here. So it will still not show. Still not showing. Okay. So you need to search. Just wait for a while. Okay. Okay. So here's now the item in the inventory. So after that, we need to edit that one. We should edit that one, and just click it here. Then, sorry, it's here. Click on edit. So once it listed on the inventory, you need to edit that one so that we can change the handling time here. So it should be 5. Okay. So handling time 5 days. Then after that, you need to select the shipping template, and it should be always free shipping template. Okay. So, because if you're not going to change this one, if you can't see it here, there will be an additional 5.95 shipping. So that's the reason. That's also one of the reason why we need to edit this one. The shipping template. It should be the free shipping template. After that, click on save and click done. Okay. So let's check. Refresh the page. So it's still showing. Okay, so as I have now searched it again, search the item. So it shows now that, okay, let's try it again. Yes, so let's double check. Okay, so as I have searched it again, yes, so it shows now there is no shipping fee, and it will now show that we are now the lowest. Okay, so that's how you list the item in Amazon Seller Central. Thank you. Bye-bye.